Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a very quick project share. So I just created this card this morning. I had already put this Santa together and I thought that it would look perfect. This is a bigger card. It's not like your regular standard size card. I actually use her 5x7 clipboard and I just used the two bigger pieces to create this. I went ahead and I did two pieces of the biggest part and I just scored 1/4 of an inch on the top of the back part and glued it together to create a card. And then I also used her heart peppermint shaker. These dies might be sold out, guys. I'm gonna list them down below. Make sure you guys sign up for notifications. So even if they're sold out, guys, make sure you sign up for notifications because you will be notified when it is restocked. There's a lot of things that are sold out, but they should be coming to the shop quickly. All right, guys, so make sure you take advantage because the tariffs are affecting things. I'm not done with this card. I still need to put something here. I have been making some bows, these here, but I don't know, I think this one is too big for this one in particular. Let me know what you guys think down below. But also the heart peppermint, guys, make sure you guys use foam on it. Look at how pretty it looks with the foam. I wish that I had some foam that was a little bit, I wish I can find this pink foam, like a lighter pink, but I like the way it's like a nice contrast on here. So yeah, I'm looking for the perfect piece to put here on my Santa. But look at how cute he is. And I went ahead and I drew his face, but there are some pieces, guys, that you can make his face up with. So make sure you guys use those. And then these are some dies from my stash. So that's it, guys. A really quick, short video for today. Again, I will have these linked down below. You can get these die sets on scrapdivadesigns.com. And you can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.